Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Dabholi, Surat, Standard 9, Chapter number 12, Heron's Formula. In previous lecture, we learned about exercise 12.2 up to question number 2. So let's we begin with question number 3. In the question number 3, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. As shown in the figure, find the total area of the paper used. So here Radha made one aeroplane. In this aeroplane she used the paper of different shapes. So we have to find the area of that paper from this figure. So first of all, for the triangle mark 1, so here first triangle, that is known as mark 1, a is equal to 5 centimeter. So here we took a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5 centimeter, because the another side is also 5 centimeter, and c is equal to 1, which is given in the question, because this is 1 centimeter. So in the rectangle the opposite sides are same. So in this triangle we take the 5 centimeter, another side is also 5 centimeter, and this side is also 1 centimeter. In this way I take these three side. In this way a is equal to 5 centimeter, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 1 centimeter. Then after, find out the semi perimeter. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. So a plus b plus c by 2, here you can see that 5 plus 5 plus 1, that is divided by 2. So 11 by 2, that is a 5.5 centimeter. So the area of the triangle is S is equal to 5.5 centimeter, that is semi perimeter, and area of triangle, this is the Heron's formula which we have to use to find out the area of triangle. So S in the bracket S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So let's we put the value of that A, B, C in the area of the triangle. So S is equal to 5.5, small s is equal to 5.5 minus A, that is a 5. Then after small s, that is a 5.5, minus B, that is a 5, and then after S is 5.5 and minus C, that is a 1. In this way 5.5, 0.5, and then after 5.5 minus 1, that is 0.5, and 5.5 minus 1, that is a 4.5 centimeter square. So 5.5, 0.5, 0.5, and 4.5, the multiplication of these 4 is 6.1875, that is the square root of the 2.5 centimeter square. In this way you can find the area of triangle. For the rectangle mark 2, so that is a rectangle mark 2, this is the rectangle which I indicated here. So this is the rectangle which is indicated as a part 2. So area of rectangle is height multiplication with length. So height and length 1 centimeter, and that is a 6.5 centimeter. So by using the length and breadth, the area of triangle is equal to length multiplication with breadth, that is a 6.5 centimeter square. And another is for the trapezium mark 3. So this is the part which is a look like a dove tail. So in this figure you can see that here AB is 1 centimeter, this is ABC is also 1 centimeter, AD is 1 centimeter, and BC is equal to 2 centimeter respectively. So we have to find the area of the trapezium. So first of all, the side AF and DC are the parallel sides, and AE and BF, that is a perpendicular sides to each other. So AF and FC, that is a 1 centimeter. So here AF and FC are 1 centimeter. Then after DC and AF, that is also 1 centimeter. AD and CF1, AF and DC1. So triangle ABF is equilateral. So E is midpoint of BF. So BE is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter, that is 0.5 centimeter. Then after AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. So AE square plus BE square, that is a AB square. AE square is equal to 1 square minus 0.5 square, that is a 0.75. Here I just use Pythagoras theorem in the triangle AEB. Okay. So next, area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides. So I want to find the area of this trapezium. So trapezium have one perpendicular side, distance between that is a AE, and AE is equal to 0.9. So we have to put the distance between them is equal to 0.9 and sum of the parallel sides. So this is the sum, BC plus AD. So 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, that is I put in the sum of parallel side, and distance we got, that is a 0.9. So 0.9 plus 3 multiplication with 1 by 2, that is a 1.4. The for the triangle mark 4 is the right angle. So the wings of that aeroplane is the part 4. It is a area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 base into height. So 1 by 2, 6 multiplication 1.5 centimeter square, that is a 4.5 centimeter square. Then after, for the triangle mark V, this is the triangle is congruent triangle. So the congruent triangle mark IV, that is a hence area of triangle, that is 4.5, because 4 and 5 are the same. Then after total area of the paper used, there are one nose of that triangle, then the 2 wings and 1 rectangle and 1 trapezium. Total numbers of figures are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total of that areas is 19.4. So the paper required for the making aeroplane, that is a total area of the paper use. Okay, in this way you can solve this kind of lengthy example. Question number 4. A triangle and parallelogram have the same base and the same area if the side of the triangle are 26, 28, 30 and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. Find the height of the parallelogram. So in this figure you have to find out the height of the parallelogram. So see this figure carefully. Here one triangle which have side AE is equal to 30 centimeter, AB is equal to 28 and BE is equal to 26 centimeter. So first of all you have to find out the ABCD is the parallelogram and ABE is the triangle which stands on the base AB. So A is equal to 30, B is equal to 28 and C is equal to 26 respectively. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 30 plus 28 plus 26, that is a 30 plus 28 plus 26, that is 42, because area of the triangle ABE, that is a S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Put that value in this formula and find out the area of that triangle, that is a 336 centimeter square. And let's try, you have to try area of parallelogram base multiplication with height, because that is a parallelogram have one base and one height. So by using formula of finding area of parallelogram, you have to find the height of that parallelogram. Okay, so in this way you can solve this kind of example. Thank you so much.